Hello everyone, welcome to the demo of Certify application. Today we will log into Certify application to demonstrate the automation of test execution for simple CRM system. In this demo, we will show how to automate functional testing for creating an account in a web-based CRM application to demonstrate the capability and synergies between the twin system for automation and application lifecycle management. We will be using Simple CRM system as our target system. We will demonstrate how we can effortlessly automate functional tests for web application without writing a single line of script. Certify framework for web application automation is based on three factors: rich library for built-in keywords, objects on the screen, and the test data. Generally, automation framework use record and playback method for automation, whereas Certify is built around the concept of configure and execute model. In this demo, we will show how to use the inbuilt keywords for configuring the target application screens and objects in them. Execute the test cases by using Excel data and verifying the results locally as well as in the ALM system. Now we'll see the simple CRM application account screen, wherein we will create an account and try to save the result. Since our target system is simple CRM, we will create an entry in the configuration screen for the simple CRM, wherein we will mention the URL of the simple CRM application. And then we will configure the screen, account screen, we will configure here. And once this is done, we will configure the objects which are present on the account screen. So objects are nothing but, those are the placeholders for the data, information to be captured like name, address, state, metadata. These kind of information we are configuring in object screen. User can use can configure the objects either using screen or via Excel upload. Once the objects are configured, the next step is to configure the steps, which is nothing but the data flow in the screen. Steps are mapped to objects as well as to the keywords from the rich library of Certify. Certify also includes validation keywords that are used to verify the test execution results and the status. User can use Excel also to create these steps or can manually create it via the screen. All the test cases are mapped under a batch. For easy organization and management, we can group multiple test cases screens in a batch. To execute the test cases, open test case execution by batch screen and enter required values. So we'll select our project, which is simple CRM application automation, and then the batch, which has the system code mapped as simple CRM. And then we will select the user ID, which we are going to use it for login in simple CRM. Select the browser and the screen, we'll select the account screen. And using this account screen, we can download the template. And when we click on this, we get the list of steps automatically coming over here, wherein we just have to enter the data and then automate. So once the file is ready, we can select the file. And this is the test execution log uploaded in ALM system, which if I click on this indicator, it will upload the test execution logs in the ALM system. Once the setting is done, we'll select platform also. And click on the submit button. The moment we click on the submit button, it will open the browser in a new window, wherein it will open the login screen of simple CRM, and it will enter the credentials, user ID, password, and the email address, and then click on the login page. And once it has now opened the dashboard of Simple CRM application. Now we want to verify whether the account is already present or not. System is trying to search whether the account is present. And it is doing the search, performing the search operation and verifying. And you can see that there is no record present with the name as Sun Life. And once it is verified, it will try to create an account by clicking on the add account add button. And now it is showing us the list screen of the account, and then it will click on the add button and enter the data. So it is entering the city and the address and the mandatory fields, country, all this information it is entering, and then we'll click on the save button. On save, the saved screen is displayed. The account creation can also be verified using the search functionality. And now we can verify that, it is trying to search Sun Life, and we can verify that the Sun Life is present. And we can see that the test execution is completed successfully, and now we can verify the result in a zip file. We can see the zip file gets downloaded. So the results and the auto execution reports can be verified in 3 ways. On screen verification, by going through the batch execution, and we just have to search for this batch execution ID 1895. We'll enter here 1895 and we'll click here, and we'll see that the zip file is uploaded over here. And we can also open this downloaded zip file, and there are a lot of information present here, the log file, and if there are any exception, and then we can see the screenshots, because system will take screenshots at each step. So this is how the screenshots will be taken. And once the screenshot is done, we will also verify the test execution report, which says that whether the test case was pass, fail, and other information. So all this information we can see. And the third verification of the test execution results is by verifying this in a test ALM system. So we'll go here, and this is our test ALM system. We'll go to test process, we'll go to test execution here, and click on enter the project name. We will verify the project name from our input file, and click on the input file, and here we can see the project is 760. So we will go to our ALM system, search for project 760, and we can check the test execution ID. It is 1143. So we'll go here, and we'll see that it has created a test execution log, and we want to see whether the screenshots got uploaded or not. So we'll go here and click on view uploaded file, and we can see that the file is already uploaded by Certify application. So that's all for today's demo of how we can use Twin System Certify and Attest for a comprehensive application lifecycle management. Certify and Attest combination can be used for automating mobile API and other devices and methods. Thank you.